guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make this super easy heart and this more tricky grabbers. A lot of people call them pliers, scissors, grabbers. You can call them whatever you want, and I'm just going to call them grabbers because they can grab things. I'm going to use actual origami paper, then check out my other video if you need to make a square out of printer paper, or you could just maybe know it. It depends what size paper you're using is how big your things are going to come out. If you use this one, you're going to have a little heart and you're going to have this size of grabbers, but if you use this one, you're going to have a bigger heart and some bigger pliers or grabbers. I'm going to use small for the heart and big for the tweezers, pliers, tweezers. I'm going to take blue and make the heart first. I'm going to take this, get it to where it's a diamond, and fold up. Crease with your fingernail. Then we have a triangle. I'm going to open that triangle up and twist it. And then I'm going to fold and make another triangle. Crease with your thumb. Now I'm going to open it up. This gives you your nice guidelines. Now I'm going to take this bottom and fold right to the middle. And try not to get it over this line. Now I'm going to turn it and take this bottom all the way up, and there should be a line straight to the bottom, and line it up at the top. Now we have a weird looking shape. How could this turn into a heart? I don't know. Now there should be this one other line. I'm going to take this bottom and fold it up to this line. Again, looks like this. I'm going to take this bottom and fold it up. Now I like to turn my paper so it's easier for me to fold, and this side should be easier because you're just folding to that exact same one. You could leave your heart like this, but I like to do a few more folds to make it have this pixely look. This just reminds me of a wolf for some reason, like the head maybe. Now I'm going to flip it to its back and fold these little corners down, just to that line. That's what gives it this shape. Now for this, you're going to try to get it, these edges, you're going to try to get it the exact same. So I like to go like this. There's this little line. Just imagine a line right here and fold it in. Now you're going to go on this side and try to get that exact same square and fold. And there's your heart. This is a more easy one for beginners. Now this one's a more difficult one. I wouldn't say it's the hardest. A few steps are harder, but I like it. I might do blue just to match the vibe. I kind of like this one. Now, if you have paper like this that has white side, you're gonna take it to where your design's facing you. In the beginning, it's gonna look like it's not gonna turn out with your design on top. Trust me, it will. I'm going to fold this corner up. Get a nice crease there. Going to open it up, twist it, and fold up again. Here's where the detail or color starts to come. Now you have this like a bandana. I'm going to take this edge. There should be two that you can open up. Keep this flat. I'm going to take this bottom and pull it up to this top line. Again, it was down here. I'm going to take this, fold it up to the line. Now I'm going to open it up and fold it up on the other side. Okay, now you see this line going straight down. So I'm going to take these two lines and it'll kind of go in. You don't want it to go in. You want it to fold up. Try to get these down and then there should be a line. And then push, push, push. And go super gentle. You don't want to smash it all together or else it's just going to be wonky. Kind of looks like a shark head. Now we're going to take that shark fin and push it to the right, that way. Now we're going to flip it over and do the exact same. Except, once we get to this part, we're going to fold it to the other side. Okay, now that we're here, again, we're going to fold it to the left. And don't smash it down. Be very gentle. Now you have this looking thing. These ends are going to be the holders. And now you should be able to open this up into a diamond. And then fold it in half. And if you fold it this way down, then you might see, where are the tops? You just hold the corners and let it go, and you might have to flip it over. There they are. So it'll open up like this, but it's not quite done. I'm gonna turn it to where it looks like a fish, and I'm gonna take this line and fold it up to the center. And you wanna try to get your ends smooth, or else the tips like this is gonna be kind of wonky. But it doesn't really matter. I just do it to where because I think it looks better. And I'm going to do the exact same. Now you have these. Well, it's kind of like in the beginning where we opened it up to a diamond. We're going to open it up, but it doesn't open up fully. So I'm going to kind of push it to that corner. Now here's a tricky part. You can gently, slightly, slowly, and this is kind of hard. I like to go like this, and it should kind of just pop it. And then you have this. Then I'm going to take that same edge, put my finger in, kind of push it, pull it, and flex it down. Now I'm going to flip it over, and there should be where you can fold it. And you want to try to get these ends nice. And here's the part where you can open it. I'm going to do the other side and fold it up. And it's okay if they don't go to the full middle and there's a little gap. That's not going to matter too much. And here's where it opens. There's these two little lines right here. I'm going to take this bottom, hold it down, and push it up. I'm going to do the same, fold it down, and now I'm going to take these, there should be a crease in the middle, push while opening. So then you can open a little pocket here, and you're going to fold. You don't want to fold the whole thing fast, you just want to get this. So now they're basically done, but to add it a better texture, I'm kind of just going to flap this down a little bit, open it up, and fold these. And then there's this bubble. You're going to want to push it a little bit. Here they are. I had so much fun making these with you. Come back for some more videos. Bye.